Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I want to make a very simple turban style. I am always of the opinion that sewing the turban base is not the issue, but designing the turban is actually the issue. So sewing the base, anybody can sew the base, but the idea to design it is what makes you outstanding. So for today's design, I have my base prepared. I prepared the base like an auto gele. So to design it, I prepared two long is it stripes or what should I call it now, of material. And then this material is about 10 inches, so that is the wideness, 10 inches. So by the time I folded, I got 5. And then I had to put the very flat foam inside. So it is either you use the very flat foam or you can use crinoline. So if you have the very flat foam, it's okay, but for me, I actually prefer crinoline. The disadvantage of this foam is when your client is always washing, the foam can give way. But if you use crinoline, when your client is washing, the crinoline can never give way, so it's always going to remain intact. Okay, so this is 4 inches. I'm sorry, I said 5 before. So it's 4 inches, and then the length, I think the length should be about 35 or 7. Let me see. Okay, the length is 35 inches, and then 4 inches after sewing. So you know that for me to get 4 inches after sewing, I must have gotten like 9 inches opening and then hem it. So after fixing the foam, I used foam, and I said you can as well use crinoline. And I also said that the crinoline is the best compared to the foam. This because the foam can give way. All right, so this is just how I will cross it. It's one of the very simple style I like making, but you can see the way I just garnished the style using two separate materials that are able to complement each other, and then you see how the thing just came out. I love it. It's a black, but then I just mix it with something unique. I really love the combination. And then after crossing it, this is what I will do, because I know this is where some persons might have challenges. So after crossing it, remember the base, I did not prepare the base as a cap, as in the base have belts. Do you get me? I prepared the base like an auto gele base. So when I cross the style on top of it, I'll simply use my needle and thread and tack some part, especially the eye part. You understand? I'll just tack the center, maybe like 2 or 3 points to the base, after which I will go to the back and then attach an handle to tie it. I'm not sewing it as cap. I'm going to do it like in form of auto gele. It's easier that way. So when I go to the back now, I'll just use either the black or the second material there to fix an handle to it, like I'm making auto gele, and that will just be all. It's perfect. It's very perfect. Right now I'm done tacking it. I just attach a little brush to it as to just embellish it a little, and you can see how it came out. Is beautiful. So I'll just attach handle for tying, and then that's just it. It's perfect. All right, that's all for this video. I'll see you in my next video. If you have any question, you can ask, but I trust you will not have question. This is very easy. Bye.